What's up, guys? My name's John Spearn with Warhammer Electric. This is my co-host. What's your name?
Darth Vader.
Darth Vader. Well, me and Mr. Vader here are going to be changing the batteries on a Savi's Workshop Lightsaber. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have a number 1 screwdriver. In this particular case, we're going to be using the WeHod number 1. You're also going to want 3 AAA batteries. Okay? So that's the first and second step. If you want your little thing to work, here, let's do this. Boom, boom, boom. There you go. So, first thing you want to do is take the bottom off. You don't really have to take the whole assembly off if you don't want to. But you'll take the bottom off.
I'll take one off too.
Okay.
Okay, I'll take my front part off too.
Uh-oh. Darth Vader's going to be unmasked. And then you're going to twist this little guy. Pull it off. And it'll give you something like this. You're going to put your lightsaber to the side. And then this is going to be your battery compartment. So there's only one screw that you would think would be these 3 top screws, but it's actually just going to be that little guy right there. You get your number 1 screwdriver. Start unscrewing. It's not that much. You see like a small gap. It's not going to completely come off. So you got this little guy. There's your 3 batteries. And then just start replacing them.
I got Vader.
You got the Beta.
No, I got Vader.
Ooh, you got Vader. Put the mask back on.
Okay, I will.
And we're going to start putting those batteries back in. Boom. Just like that, brand new. Put the cover back on. Oops. There we go.
Gotcha.
Twist it back in, tighten it back up. And then as you can see, there's this red arrow right here. So there's going to be a red arrow inside your lightsaber as well. So right there. So you just make sure that those 2 line up. There we go. And then what you're going to want to do is press it in and twist it. You'll hear that noise. That means everything went well. Put the cap back on. And then there you go. All back to normal. What? You guys have a great day.